Giving face skin a boost is what all people are looking for. There are many ways people are using to get smooth and rejuvenated skins. DXRoller is the best derma roller you are looking for. In this video, we will give you a genuinely independent review of DXRoller. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is DXRoller? DXRoller is a derma roller that makes use of tiny needles to spice up the pores and skin's therapeutic powers. It's a handheld device that's studded with many miniature needles, which are rolled over the skin to set off an increase in collagen and elastin manufacturing within the pores and skin, and it'll give your complexion a glow. Key features of DXRoller Derma Roller. Smooth derma roller with micro needles. Fast results, completely painless application. Shipped in secure high-quality sterile packing. Suitable for acne, beard growth, hair growth. Washable with alcohol after every use. Choose from 0.25mm and 0.5mm. How to use the DXRoller. Step 1. The roller is moved across the area of skin to be treated in a series of sequential movements. Step 2. Press firmly but do not overdo this to avoid any unnecessary discomfort. Step 3. One way of using a roller is to imitate the points of a compass and roll it front, left, right and then backwards. This ensures even coverage without overdoing it. Step 4. Your skin will feel warm and tight after use and will have a reddish color similar to a case of mild sunburn. This is entirely normal and will ease within 24 hours. You can apply a skin care product to your skin which will help with this. Step 5. There should be no pain associated with the derma roller, but what you will experience is a tickling sensation as you move the roller over your skin. How to choose the best derma roller. Needle size. Different sizes are designed for different things. Smaller needles are good for fine lines, larger can be used for scars, for example. Titanium needles. Are the needles titanium? Some are stainless steel which isn't as durable or long-lasting, but it is less expensive. Areas of use. Where can you use the rollers? Some are designed for specific areas of the body, while others are good for use anywhere. Storage case. Do you get a case? Your derma roller should always be stored in a case to keep it clean and sanitary, but do you get one included? Replaceable head. Can you replace the head and continue using the rest of the roller, or do you need to buy an entirely new unit? Wrapping up. So, this is all about the modern derma roller DXRoller. It is full of features, multiple benefits, and is a highly easy-to-use device. It eliminates high charges to get the best skincare for your skin that has to face the brunt of different seasons, conditions, etc. It uses needle technology that is tried and tested in providing the best skincare benefits. DXRoller is a smooth derma roller that is ideal for promoting hair growth, beard growth, and controlling acne, fine lines, etc. The different options of standard and starter size make it ideal for different uses. So, when are you planning to buy DXRoller? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the DXRoller, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.